Every invoice tells a story, from creation to resolution, and the invoice register is where it all comes together. It's the central place to track invoice activities, all within Dispatch. Review invoice status, balances, due dates, and open or closed activity. Verify the details, connecting billing, payments, adjustments, and aging results into one clear picture. And trace the full history across related transactions to understand exactly what happened. Access the invoice register from the left menu by selecting its icon. Once in the invoice register, select the date range to find specific invoices. You can use custom date ranges that cross multiple months and years. Each invoice in the register grid has an AR status, which is either open or closed. An open invoice means it has an outstanding amount. A closed invoice means the amount due is zero. Use the AR status filter to view only open or closed invoices. When the AR status changes to closed, the closed date field shows when the invoice was closed. Use this date to match the invoice register with the AR aging report. This provides clarity on when invoices were open and when they were closed. Use the right-hand menu to view individual invoice details. Select View Invoice. The Details tab shows the invoice record details. The Items tab below summarizes the products on the invoice. The Tickets and Orders tab lists all related tickets and orders, allowing you to explore further into each ticket or order. The Payments and Adjustments tab shows any payments or adjustments that have been applied to an invoice. This invoice shows no results because payments haven't been applied yet. Note, you can use the three buttons at the top to export PDF copies of the invoice and perform other actions. Clicking back returns you to the grid to take more actions in the invoice register. If you use our payment product, you can send payment requests from the invoice register. This sends a text message to the user to pay the invoice. You can also easily create an adjustment to manage non-cash changes to an invoice's amount due. The transaction types displayed are configured as adjustments in AR transaction types. For example, to offer a discount on an invoice, select the discount adjustment. Enter an amount to reduce the amount due. Selecting NSF will increase the amount due, passing the fee for a bad check to the customer. The left-hand column allows for multiple selections, allowing you to perform any of these actions to the invoices you selected all at once. And you can use the invoice register for easy on-screen checks. Select rows to see totals at the bottom. This helps create easy on-screen reconciliation. The invoice register within Dispatch brings invoice review and action together in one place, making it easier to review balances, verify details, and support reconciliation. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact our team with any questions or scan the QR code to learn more.